Okay, guys, the watch list for Tuesday. Keep in mind when you watch this that I'm a day trader, so I'm just trying to find stocks that might give a nice predicted move tomorrow. Okay, I'm not going to be holding anything into the close tomorrow. So FTNT, there's nothing pretty here, but you can see that it's down about 4 days in a row, and it's starting to get kind of fast. And if I pan out, all right, pretty nice base back here around 16, and a nice little double bottom back here off of 16. So when you're down several days in a row and you're nearing support, I will be watching FTNT very closely tomorrow if it can get down to 16 for a potential intraday setup long. WDC, 4 days down in a row right into the 50-day. Looks like it did close below it, but that doesn't concern me that much. Oftentimes you get a piercing and then a reversal. So if the market shows any strength, WDC has been one of the strongest stocks on the planet up until this past week. So it's a really good candidate for a bounce off that 50-day. That one will be on watch. EBIX did not give me the bounce play entry today. Did get a trade in it, but what I really look for in a bounce play is an afternoon break, and it just was sideways most of the day, and then I think the longs kind of finally gave up. But that doesn't make it come off of my list for tomorrow. So EBIX goes back on bounce watch. BTU, nothing pretty here at all. But this coal group is super beaten up, and you're starting to get that shape change. I haven't lost a dime on BTU since having it on bounce watch around 16. Made a little bit on it one of these 2 days. I don't remember which one, but now you're starting to get that shape change. Volumes increasing. So BTU certainly on watch just for a day trade bounce and only with the proper setup. But it's starting to get fast to the downside. So keep your eyes on BTU. VLO I had on bounce watch today because of the shape change. Didn't do anything with it because it didn't give me a setup. But again, you can see the shape change here. And you do have some support to the left. You have some basing right in this area. You had an old high back here. So if you draw these lines straight across, it's getting to an area where it could bounce. Volumes increasing here. So the whole refiner group on bounce watch really all week. I already showed you WDC. And CRM. CRM gave a nice trade on Friday. And if you look, and you do have a couple little bottoming tails indicating some buying going on down here. So I do like CRM for a potential long. Had a nice afternoon rally today before giving back with the market. But up over the afternoon rally's high. If you get into the 37.50s, I'd actually like to see it get over this purple line, which is a 200 moving average on 15s, up into 37.60s tomorrow. This one could give a nice bounce. I think there's a lot of buying going on down in this area around 36.50. So I keep that one on watch. It has a lot of promise, in my opinion, for a potential move over that 37.60 area. And that's my list for tomorrow. I'll probably add some things as the morning unfolds, but it's a pretty good place to start. So I'll quit babbling. We'll see you guys tomorrow.